You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name correctly once and for all. This is both a brand name of leather goods and fashion. This is also the name of a rather popular musical duo, quite popular on TikTok as well. And that's a word originally from Brazilian Portuguese, designating the act of running your fingers through someone's hair in a tender way. So from Portuguese, cafuné. Cafuné. Cafuné is how you pronounce it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.